Hello everyone, welcome you to my channel today. I'm going to show you how to install Visual Studio on the Windows operating system, and then I am going to show you how to write a simple Hello World program and how to run them on our Visual Studio, so watch the video till the end. And also, if you like the video, then please give me a like and please do subscribe my channel. And also don't forget to share with your friends. That will really help me to make more such video. So let's dive into our video. So for what you need to first simply go to browser and enter at his bar. You need to just simply search with Visual Studio. Download, so you need remember, like, there is a difference between Visual Studio Code and Visual Studio. Okay, so Visual Studio Code is a text editor and Visual Studio is an IDE. Okay, so let's say you want to develop or you want to be a .NET developer. So that case you need to download Visual Studio, and Visual Studio Code is a different thing. Visual Studio Code means it's a text editor. Okay, so let's click on a Visa Studio download, and it's going to redirect it to the Visual Studio Microsoft.com. So here, the Studio's tools, it will going you to redirect to the official site of Microsoft, our Visa Studio 2022. Okay, so here we have three options. One is community professional and enterprise. This professional and enterprise at the paid one, so you need to download the community one, which is free. So if you are a student or you want to learn, then you can just simply click on this free download. Simply click on that, it will go into redirect to this page, and you can see our Visual Studio setup is rightly downloaded. So you need to just simply click on this X in order to install Visual Studio. So it will ask if I administrative visuals today, installation wizard rightly open. So let's minimize our browser. So here you need to just simply click on continue, and it will go to you now fetch all the files in order to show you like what are all things you need to install your Visual Studio. Then so this is the screen where you need to choose what all you need to install. So net is the first and the foremost thing that you are supposed to install. And apart from that, if you are into Azure development, like you are using Audio-Dash report or anything, then you will obviously need this right now. I am not going to show you all of that in this video. I am going to keep this simple, so I'll just simply install. If you need, you can always install the Azure. And okay, then Python and Node.js is depend upon you whether you like it also code in Python on. Then subsequently needed to also select all this. Just remember, when you select, you can see that this pace required size gets increased. So if I uncheck this, you can see it decrease. So this ASP.NET main thing that itself is taking, you can see, like when I check this, that itself will take nearly 8.5 give. Okay, so remember that. Okay, when you scroll this, that itself down, you can see this desktop and mobile. So if you are also developing mobile and desktop, they need to choose all this. I'll choose .NET desktop development. So this is what we use to develop the desktop application. Also, you can select all this if you are in coding in C++, then you can always select all these. You know what to develop an application which will universally going to be a universal no Windows platform development, so then you can choose all this. It involves no C#, so I'm going to code on that. So why I am selecting that. Okay, if you're into mobile development, you can choose a mobile development with C++, then only you need to choose this. Okay, keep on scrolling. So here is for gaming. So if you want to develop any game or anything, you need to choose all of these from these two options, and this important. So data storage for database connectivity, and all with SQL Server. So this is the option to go. Okay, and if you want to develop an extension Visual Studio extension, some plugins are similar to that, they need to select this. I am also going to select that and just going to click on install, and it will going to start fetching all the files from internet, and then it's going to download. So you saw that it is around 22 gig. So that's all you need to install on RC drive, and it will go into fetch 5.41 gig from the internet. So you can see it's a lot of file that they're going to download, and then we're going to install. So this entire process will take nearly in 30 minutes. I would say it will take a lot of time. I'll pause the video and come back once this is all done. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our Visual Studio is there directly installed, and it's asking to sign in. So you can always sign in. For now I am going to skip this for now. Okay, and here it's asking like what type of theme you would like to, and here it is asking for like what type of theme you'd like to choose, dark blue or no these other two. I am going to choose dark. Okay, and click on start Visual Studio, and it is going to start, and you can see that our Visual Studio 2022 is rightly launched. So if you just click on background, you can see here also like it is rightly installed. So if you click on launcher, that time also is going to launch our Visual Studio. So here is rightly launched, and you can now start creating your project. So let's click on create a new project, and from here you can choose your template. I'm going to choose a simple console app and click on the next. Click next. So here you need to give your project name. So I am going to give hello world, and just simply click on next again. Six is totally fine, just simply click on create, and there you go, start creating our project. And you can see that our project is slightly launched. Is our solution hello world, and here is our that CS class that is basically C# plus. So if you just simply click on this run button now, which is going to start building our project. Once our build gets completed, you can see the output hello world. It's already shown. Okay, so this is whatever is written over here, this hello world is rightly shown. So in this we can easily install latest version of Visual Studio that is 2022 for .NET developers on the Windows operating system. So thank you for watching and like.